Hello, welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Throwback Thursday, so I am using the Forever Blossoms set to go along with elements of the April 2023 paper pumpkin kit. So I'm going to use soft sea foam, and I'm going to ink up my stamp, this one here. And I've got two of the kind of the long white banners, and I'm just going to put them next to each other, and I'm going to stamp on both. So I'm just going to make sure I'm well inked up there, and then I'm going to stamp across both of them like that. And so that's what we've got there. And now I'm just going to come in with my dark petal pink and just do some of the flower centers, just like this, and then the kind of the base of the smaller flowers. So I'm just coming in and just doing some light coloring in here. Again, those bases of those small ones, and then I'm going to come in with my light petal pink, and I'm just going to blend everything across. Just give it a good kind of swirl around. I'm kind of doing this quickly because you don't need to see me color for a long time. So I'm just going to come in, add the color where I'd like to add the color, and I chose petal pink because I'm using the petal pink card base. So I'm just going to come in again, and I drag that dark center up, and you can do this as dark or as light as you would like to. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to take dimensionals. So I use the ones that came in the kit, and I'll just put 4 on each one. Okay. Okay, so we've got that done, and I'm going to just peel these off, and I'll wait till I've got the other one down before I put that one down. I want to kind of do it as panels, so I'm not going to offset them. I'm going to do them side by side. So this one is going to come here like this, making sure I'm lined up, and then this one will come next to it. I am going to just separate it a little bit like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take my petal pink, and I'm going to stamp the greeting from the kit that says, "I'm grateful for all the little things you do." So I'm going to ink that up really, really well and make sure that I'm straight on the little greeting. So I'm grateful for all the little things you do. Okay, and I think this would be just a little bit too dark, so I'm not going to worry about that. But what I would like to do is just pop that on there like that. So I'm going to use my adhesive, and I'm just going to run a line of adhesive on there like that. And then I'm going to make sure that I'm in the middle like that. And then I'm going to just flat mount it here because I've already got this piece dimensionalized. So I'm just going to pop that in like that. And I'm centering it here, so everything is kind of centered. And I want to take some of the bling. I did pull out some of these little flowers, but I think they're a little kind of stark for this because this is very soft and subtle. If you wanted to use, say, old olive or something like that to do your leaves, you could. Like I say, I just wanted this just to be that little bit subtle. So there we go. I'm just going to pop a bling down there and another one up at the top here. Just kind of draws the eye. And you can put a couple little blings on if you want. I'm going to pop one there like that. Pop one over here, and then I'm going to put one up here like this. So it kind of curves the eye around. I thought about putting some of the Calypso Coral linen thread on, but I think I'm just going to leave it like this. One tip I do have though is for your linen thread, just snip a hole with your scissors or just a little line on each side, and then you hold your end and they don't all unravel in your drawer. So this is our Throwback Thursday alternate. So it will be alternate 5 for the April 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit.